Make B the subject of the formula. So to make B the subject of the formula, so we need first of all to multiply by y both signs. So multiplying by y in both signs, we shall have ky is equal to b plus dy. Then from there, we subtract dy in both signs. Ky minus dy is equal to b. And through that now, we have made b the subject of the formula in those simple method step. So in given k is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and d is equal to 0, obtain the value of b. So the value of b will be equal to k is 1, you substitute, y is 2, minus d is 0, multiplying by y is 2. 1 times 2 will be 2, 0 times 2 will be 0, which is equal to 2. So I give you this assignment to do. Obtain the value of what will be the value of b when k is 2, y is 3, and d is equal to 4. Obtain the value of b when k is 2, y is 3, and d is equal to 4. So int b is equal to ky minus dy. So that is the int you are going to use to solve this question. For more such learning, tune on to my YouTube channel so that we may learn together. Kindly get the response to this question and may I know in the comment below on how you have handled it. Remember to subscribe to this channel so that you will be notified whenever there is a new release. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video as we keep on learning together.